Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you a drumstick recipe, and it's more of the marinade that I'm sharing rather than the actual chicken. I love this recipe. It's honestly been on repeat every single week for like a few weeks now because it's so delicious. It's easy, it stores well, and it's a must have, especially now when everything's so expensive. I try to find things that I can make on a budget, and this definitely checks the box. So if you want to see how it comes together, just keep watching.